guys, I want to introduce you to my new friend from Finland.
Yo, what's up guys? My name is Miklas.
Yeah, Miklas.
Been doing PK 16 years,
Yeah.
and we're here looking for a place to eat.
Ooh. Good food. Looks pretty yum.
I'm really grateful we didn't like shred our feet today on this.
Yeah, this guy's always vibing. So tonight we are gonna sleep in the forest. We park right in the middle of the road. Not in the middle of the road, right here. It's about 12:30 in the morning. Get about 6 or so hours sleep, and then we're off.
Oh, this is built for the bike, you see?
Yeah.
Take a second to look at these trees, man. Wow.
They're huge.
This is the camouflage. So try not to knock it over. Jeez. Welcome home, brother.
I'm gonna go to sleep. I'll see you tomorrow. Peace out. My goodness, this spot is amazing. Damn, this is good. I don't even know where I'm at. Last night, I sleep shirtless, and it's not even cold. This owl is so calm. It's not even afraid of me. Hey, you. So this owl right here, yeah, it's my security guard. Right? And his name is, hey you. Hey you. Hey. Hey. What's your name? What is your name? Bruh. What is your name? The eyeball is so dark. How did they see? It just doesn't move. All the bird, if you come close, it will fly away. But this owl just stays there, just chill. You never know. Those two eyeballs can be like a camera, you know?
Yeah. That would be creepy as fuck, dude.
Yeah, that is. Jump, jump, jump. I think we're gonna get going soon. We're gonna leave the tent right here. We might stay here another night or till whenever we want. I like this place. It's really cool. It's really calm. And I like the owl too. Pretty chill. I think this is the hiking trail, but we're like in the middle of those trees. It's perfect. Perfect.
It's pretty neat.
Yep.
Good warm up.
What a great way to start off the day. Welcome to Canada! No,
Welcome to Canada!
No, we're already in Canada, but yeah, this is welcome to Canada Forest.
So right now we're in Deep Cove, which is like just north of, I guess, I don't know the area super well, but essentially we're north of Vancouver. We're in this beautiful location called Deep Cove. We're about to go swim, and I'm pretty excited about it because, you know, we've been camping all night, so we're gross.
Yep.
Yeah.
Morning swimming. It's gonna be awesome.
It's gonna be awesome.
And then today's gonna be a long day. No, it's pretty chill.
Today,
For him, tomorrow's gonna be a long day.
but today's the qualifiers, and so now you're here to cheer on our homies.
Let's go. Put my stuff right here. These rocks are sharp.
Yeah, come over here. There's no rocks. There's less.
Okay.
Your hair is so dark, dude.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, natural hair, you know, genetic.
Genetic. A little bit of good genes.
Yeah.
Pretty cool.
This is awesome. We just got done swimming and now we're off to the next spot. I think we're gonna go get something to eat. You hungry?
I'm super hungry, bro.
Let's go.
Morning swim got me hungry.
Let's go! Cooking in the middle of the street. Look at it, in somebody's house, in front of somebody's house. In the parking lot where we're not even supposed to be parking. A little bit of coconut oil. Yeah, the best chef out here, yeah.
Mm-hmm. Oh, yeah, street chef.
Dawn.
I really enjoy this, so.
It's good.
Cooking and being in the street. And... It's a vibe, bro. We need some music.